Hi, it's Brett and we're back in the kitchen with another BodiClenz smoothie. And today what we're doing is called BloodClenz. And so what we've got here are some ingredients that are very, very good for the blood. So we've got a lemon, which is extremely high in what they call citrus bioflavonoids, especially in the skin. And we're going to leave the skin on this lemon for the sake of the smoothie. We've also got some kale, so fresh kale, fresh crunchy kale. It's good to use a big leaf or a couple of leaves of kale. Kale has also been shown to help benefit cardiovascular health, particularly the blood fats, the blood sugars. And it also has been known to help reduce blood pressure. Then we've got ginger, which is excellent for the circulation. Can be used like aspirin really. Ginger helps keep the blood thin and keeps it flowing. And then cinnamon. So cinnamon is awesome. It's been shown in clinical studies to help reduce blood sugar and cholesterol. And it's another circulatory stimulant, so it helps the blood flow. And then we've got some avocado. So avocado is great for good fats. So avocado contains 84% unsaturated fats and only 16% saturated. So it's an extremely good whole natural fat. Excellent for your cardiovascular health again. And lastly, we're going to put in a bit of mint just for flavour. Okay, let's do this. Alright, so first of all we're just going to break up the kale. Just break off the thick stalk and throw that in the blender. And then the mint on top of that. Now with this avocado we're just going to get the seed out and then spoon out this avocado. Look at that beautiful fresh avo. And the lemon, you've got a little bit of a rough skin on this lemon, so I'm just going to take that off. But the rest of it with skin on, we'll just throw the whole thing in the blender. Now the cinnamon, I'm just going to put out about a heaped teaspoon of cinnamon and a good scoop of BodiClenz, or you could use Body Tune, and you can use the smoothie on any of the programs at all. And good 3 thick slices of ginger, and we'll just throw those in whole with the skin on and everything. And lastly the water. So we'll just get this water, actually a bit more, we'll just put it up to about half the height of the solid ingredients, and then we'll give this a good blend. So this is sped up. We normally blend this for about a minute in the ladyship to make a nice smooth pureed smoothie. That should about do it. And there we go. Beautiful, excellent blood remedy for your BodiClenz. Enjoy this.